friend of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings, scrolling down and choosing themes section. Now click on the search bar and type in font. After that, you need to select the best one for you after choosing more next to fonts. I will go with maybe that one. Then select free, wait a bit and click on apply. Now you need to select reboot and wait. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go into exactly the same settings. Type in fonts. And select this default one. Then click on free and apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!